start with a blank piece of paper. Fold the paper hot dog way in half. Then open the paper back up and fold it hamburger way. So in half again. Make sure that you're really creasing your edges and lining up your corners. That's going to make your pages lined up and even. Now we're going to fold it back hot dog ways. And from here, you're going to start from the outside edge and fold the outside edge back towards the middle. So you're basically going to make it like an accordion folded fan. Flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Then open it all the way up. Each of these sections, there should be 8, are going to be your pages. Fold it in half again, hamburger ways, and starting from the fold, cut back to the middle line. Don't cut all the way through. Stop once you get to the middle line. Then fold your paper hot dog way and grab it from each end and push it towards the middle. It's gonna naturally just turn into an accordion folded book. Now that you've made your book, open it all the way back up again and let's add some decorations. For the first layer, draw things that you are grateful for. So I picked some lines to remind me of movement. I'm really grateful for the extra time I've had to exercise and also to be outside in my yard, family time, getting a little bit more sleep, and all of those became the first layer of my book. For the second layer of your book, you can decorate each page with some kind of color. So I grabbed 2 dishes of water. One became my dirty water dish, and the other one my clean water dish. I used my paintbrush to paint over each page. I decided to make my pages a different color, and I folded them up before they were completely dry to get sort of a butterfly effect on the inside. You can make as many of these little books as you want, and you can attach them together by punching holes through them with a needle. So I punched 3 holes, and then I grabbed some thread, and you can actually bind the books together. This is optional, but if you want more pages, this is a good way to go back and add them later. So I tie a big knot in the end of my thread, thread the other end through my needle, and once my knot is big enough that it won't fit through the hole, I just stitch in a figure 8. So I started at the top, and then I went in through the back and the middle, and then down to the bottom. And from there, I went from the back through the middle again, and I ended up right back where I started at the knot. I tie it off on the outside and trim the extra thread, and now you've got an even longer book. We're going to use our book to plan out our artwork. So the background just makes it, our sketches almost turn into pieces of art as well. I decided to sketch out my 3 different types of pattern all in one spread of a couple pages. But remember, you've got extra paper. You can always add more pages if you feel like you need more space. Make sure that you label or explain whatever you've drawn when you turn it in. So you can see that I tried out a bunch of different ideas and one of them I'll pick to use on the clay.